Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change Kia Rio wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents it from snapping back. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab down, often with a flathead screwdriver, and then slide the old blade downwards off the arm's hook. Hold the wiper arm firmly to prevent it from accidentally snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade up onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once the new blade is attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. After installing both new wiper blades, it's important to perform a final check. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and test the wipers using windshield washer fluid. Observe them closely to ensure they operate smoothly and make even contact across the entire windshield, clearing water effectively. Also, check the description below for a link to an insightful book, along with other great deals. Proper wiper function is crucial for clear visibility and safe driving, so ensure they are working perfectly before hitting the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.